Hello future doctors, welcome you all to another wonderful session of Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and I am Dr. Radha Subramaniam. So today I have come to teach you a few previous year NEET 2021 solved chemistry questions, and already I have uploaded different parts of the question papers solved before, and today we are continuing with the 2021 question papers, and hope you are all preparing well for your NEET exams, and my prayers are with you all to do your exams really well, and especially special prayers for repeaters and re-repeaters. I hope you will do your best for this coming NEET 2022 exams. Okay, now let us start with the first question for today, and the first question is the compound which shows metamerism is, so you should be knowing all questions or all topics of isomerism, and those who are not very thorough with the topics, I will be uploading different sessions regarding those topics. So we have got the choice C3H8O, C3H6O, C4H10O and C5H12, and you are asked to find the compound which shows metamerism. Okay, so compounds with formula C4H10O, it can be ethers, okay, and which may exhibit metamerism. Like for example, you can write like CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3, or it can be CH3O, C, CH3, CH3, and like it can also be CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So these are all metamers. Okay, as structure of alkyl chains are different around the functional group. So the correct choice is C4H10O. Clear? I hope you understood. Fine. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. Question 2. What is the question? The correct sequence of bond enthalpy of CX bond is. So choice is CH3F greater than CH3Cl greater than CH3Br greater than CH3I, then CH3F less than CH3Cl greater than CH3Br greater than CH3I, then third choice CH3Cl greater than CH3F greater than CH3Br greater than CH3I, fourth choice CH3F less than CH3Cl less than CH3Br less than CH3I. So you know the correct solution is the first choice, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, in that order, because you know the size of the halogen atom increases from fluorine to iodine. Okay, so the bond length also will be from will increase from CF to CI. Okay, so the bond length from CF to CI will increase. So this will be the correct sequence of enthalpy, C greater than, from CF to CH3F to CH3I. First one is the correct choice. Clear? Okay. Now question 3. What is the third question? Right option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in hexagonal primitive unit cell. So already I had explained in detail about primitive, hexagonal, octahedral, everything in our previous videos. You can just go and watch. So the options given are 6, 12, then the second choice is 2, 1, third choice is 12, 6, and fourth choice is 8, 4. So you know the number of octahedral and tetrahedral voids formed by n closed packed atoms are n and 2n. That is for tetrahedral it is 2n, and octahedral it is n. You know each hexagonal unit cells has how many atoms? They have 6 atoms. Okay, so number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids will be 12 and 6. So option 3 is the correct answer. So you have to remember all these relation, tetrahedral is 2 and octahedral is, and only if you remember this. See, in order to confuse you, they have also asked 6 and 12. So if you mark it 6 and 12, the answer will be wrong. It should be only 12 and 6. Okay, so remember all these points well when you revise for the exam. And next question is, you are given 2 statements here. So what is the first statement? Statement 1, aspirin and paracetamol belong to the class of narcotic analgesics. So that is the first statement. Aspirin and paracetamol belong to, you might have heard about aspirin, paracetamol and all that. So they belong to the class of narcotic analgesics. You know what is meant by narcotic, right? You would have heard about it many times. Then what is statement 2? Morphine and heroin are non-narcotic analgesics. And in the light of the above statements, you have to choose the correct answer. So they are, saying it upside down. They say that morphine and heroin are non-narcotic, whereas aspirin and paracetamol are they belong to a class of narcotic. So what is the option given? Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Then statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Then what is the third option? Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. And fourth one is statement 1 and statement 2, they are both true. So what is the correct option? Now aspirin and paracetamol, they belong to no narcotic analgesics. See, whenever you get headache, body pain, fever and all that, that is a home medicine. You keep these medicines at your home. Okay, so if it is a narcotic, nobody will keep it at home, right? Okay, and by the way, morphine, heroin, heroin and all that, it's highly dangerous to consume all these things. They are all narcotic analgesics. So both the statements are false. So option 1, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. That should be the correct answer. So I hope you are all revising the NEET exam previous year questions, and also it's better I am uploading, I will be finishing, as I said before, this 2021 question paper first, and we have got enough time to revise the previous year's question paper. So as I told you, if you revise little questions at a time, then you can retain it in your memory. Otherwise, if you try to attempt so many questions, but those who have revised the concepts and thorough with the concepts, they can do work on many questions and practice it. But those who are little bit weak with chemistry, and those who, many students tend to forget the concepts they have learned. So what you have to do is, little by little you learn, study the concepts well, revise it again, practice continuously. There is no other alternative. Only if you practice these concepts and learn it continuously, every weekend you just revise all these questions. And also we are uploading many tricks from physics in our channel, because only physics is very determinant factor to decide your NEET marks. So you have to score good marks for physics as well. And as always I say, I am extremely happy to see many students are visiting the videos and watching it and subscribing to the channel. And this channel content comes entirely free for you, and we are not planning to take any form of fees or amount for this all these teaching material or for the online classes. And I hope more students come forward and do share with your friends, like and subscribe and support our channel, because your support is our strength. And with more such useful videos we will be uploading quite soon. And thank you everyone for taking time and watching this video. Bye bye.